Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Quant, QNT. So what we've been seeing with Quant is some pretty wild price increases. I'm saying that it has gone up so far within three waves, three large waves, I should say, going from that 52-week low that we had with Quant, which was part of our wave one where it kicked off, where Quant's price was around $40. And this was actually in the middle of June that this had happened. And then it had completed this wave one back in the second week of August. So there was a really large price increase that had happened then, where that wave one had gone up to around $130+. And then we saw that retracement in a wave two. Then we went up again within this massive wave three, which was also part of a 5-wave move that was going up in the upside. This also had a huge price bump, which I'd say probably made it a bit overbought in my opinion. And there was bound to be some resistance within the price. So that's what we're seeing right now. We're seeing that price actually start to drop, and we're within a wave four now, is what I'm calling it. So no certainty exactly when we're going to complete this wave four or how far down it's going to go. When I did make the original prediction, I was thinking that we're going to be seeing it kind of just move within possibly a 3-wave move, so like an A, B, C type move, and that would take it down to probably around the 50% Fibonacci level of where we are within our wave 3. So 50% of our wave 3, more than likely we're going to be retracing, and then go into that wave 5, which is going to be a much larger wave, and hopefully that's going to be the one that takes Quant up to way higher prices. I mean, we've already seen these really massive price increases where the wave 3 had topped out at around $230 before it started to see some pullback. So currently $178 is where the price is right now. But I mean, still, we're in the month of October and we were at $40 back in June. So these were some large price increases that Quant has had, and it was bound to eventually start to see some more pullback within the price. So looking at our moving averages, our 20-day moving average currently is around that 50% Fibonacci level as well. The 50% Fibonacci level from the wave 2 and 3 gains. So more than likely, we will be seeing that wave 4 find that support right around that 20-day moving average at that 50% Fibonacci level. If not, if it is to fall through a bit, we can see how quickly our 50-day moving average is also climbing up to that 618 Fibonacci level right now, and it might even be closer to our 50% Fibonacci level when the price does make it to that, if it does make it to that even. So that's one thing to pay attention to at the moment. But you can see these gains that we have had and that distance that we have with the price of Quant and the moving averages. Quant's one of the few cryptocurrencies that has seen this type of growth, and this is one of the things that I'm saying with the crypto market. A lot of people are so bearish within the crypto market, but then some of the cryptocurrencies are making some big moves, and some people just are not paying attention to it. And that's one of the things that I like doing here on this channel, is kind of bringing that to everybody's attention. Everybody's wondering, hey, why are you always so bullish? And I say, well, I'm so bullish because a lot of these cryptocurrencies already had their bottoms in, and that was back in June. And so what we're seeing is, their prices are going up. So let's look over at our bull market support band as well, which Quant still has a lot of distance from itself and that bull market support band, which is another very bullish thing for Quant right now. So more than likely, we're going to continue to see this retracement after we continue that, complete that wave 4, and possibly be seeing it work its way up past where we were within this wave 2 on the downside back in the month of December. So that's where our wave 3 resistance was at that same level where we had completed that wave 2 when the price was coming down with Quant. So our wave 5 could be a very large retracement wave, and that's a possibility that it could take it up to a price of $400 or more is what I'm thinking. So now looking on the hourly chart, if you guys saw the last Quant video that I made, I was talking about how this wave 4 might be playing out. And I was saying that it might be within a 3-wave move or ABC, corrective wave move. And that is kind of how it looks like it is actually playing out. So if we were to say that this is the A wave completion here, and now we're within that B wave right now. So we've come down within the A wave, we're going up in a B wave. And then as we do, then we're going to be coming back down to that 50% Fibonacci level more than likely. So I expect this most likely to be how this pattern is playing out at the moment. So no guarantees, but this is how it is looking, because we are starting to see here on the hourly chart, we're starting to see some price pumping. So if we were to say that we did come down within the wave A last night, and then now we're working on that B wave right now, and then we're going to see some more price dropping after a slight pump, and then that would be that completion. Now, the time it takes to complete the wave C could be a much longer time than what I drew on here. So, and even the wave B could take much longer. So there could be a possibility that instead we see it play out more so like this, where it comes down, and then the wave B takes a little bit more time, and then that wave C is just a much longer impulse that could take Quant into the very end of the month or the beginning of November as a possibility. Now, obviously, I'm just looking at the technicals and just giving my best guess based off of what I'm seeing. I'm just following with the way that things are currently moving and where they could be going based off of this. So there's a possibility this could even be something that could take much longer to actually complete. Now, since I think that there's still plenty more room to fall within this wave 4, I'm not buying Quant at the moment. As you guys know, I did take some profits already within this wave 3, so I'll probably be buying some more Quant after more confirmation within this wave 4 that gets more closer to this 50% Fibonacci level, and then at that point, I'll start buying more in, and then hold out through that wave 5 where that takes us. So anyways, that's the update now for Quant. I'll keep you guys updated on what does happen. Probably another video here within the next couple days. And for now, I'll just go ahead and jump on the next cryptocurrency to talk about. So I'll just see you guys in the next video coming right after this. Thank you for watching and listening.